Guys, tutorial how to whistle. First, push it down, laser, and blow. Wait, laser. Blow in when you got it little bit. And this is to your frog. Coca, not coca. But Mighty can do that. And do you know how to do water? And do a breath of animal and and do whistle. You know how to do whistle, right? And secondly, how to drink water. And like and secondly, this is the last one. This is cool. Do like this. They like and like so. Money cash, dirty cash. Oh, this one. Subscribe if you can do all. Like this one. This is mine.